Hello everyone from Elif's kitchen. Today, I'm sharing a crunchy, melt-in-your-mouth cornflake cookie recipe that kids will especially love. This recipe is perfect for a delicious and crumbly treat. Let's start by adding 125 grams of softened butter at room temperature into a mixing bowl. Add 3 eggs on top, 1 cup of powdered sugar, 1 teacup of vegetable oil, and 1 packet of vanilla. Mix well. Add 4 cups of cornstarch using a standard measuring cup. Next, add 1.5 cups of flour. Also, add 1 packet of baking powder and mix again. Once the dough starts to come together, begin kneading it by hand. As you can see in the video, the dough has become as soft as an earlobe. Take pieces approximately the size of a walnut and roll them into balls. Place them slightly apart on a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Bake them in a preheated oven at 170 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, the cookies are baked, and I've taken them out of the oven. Allow the cookies to cool slightly. Meanwhile, let's prepare the chocolate coating. Take approximately 150 grams of chocolate into a deep bowl. I used milk chocolate. If you prefer, you can use dark chocolate as well. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of spreadable chocolate. If you wish, you can use only spreadable chocolate instead. Alternatively, you can mix them like this. Add about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil on top, as shown in the video. We'll melt the chocolate using the bain-marie method, stirring occasionally. Once all the chocolate has melted, remove it from the heat. To coat the cookies, take about 2.5 to 3 cups of cornflakes into a food processor. Process them, but don't make them too fine. Alternatively, you can crush them manually instead of using a processor. Then, as shown in the video, dip the cooled cookies first into the melted chocolate. Then roll them in the crushed cornflakes and place them on a serving plate. Prepare all the cookies in the same way. Then, refrigerate the cookies for about 1 hour to set. After that, the cookies are ready to serve. As you can see in the video, they're crunchy and melt in your mouth. They're an amazing treat that kids especially love. I hope you try them and enjoy them. For those who will give it a go, enjoy in advance. If you've watched my video this far and liked it, you can support me with your likes, shares, and comments. Thank you for watching and for your interest.